What's going on with the truckers? We always talk about needing more truck parking. Well, congratulations, because Conyers, Georgia says we are going to put in public parking for semi trucks. Even though it's 11 acres and can hold 200 semi trucks, they're making it so that it's only going to hold 100 semi trucks. That sounds like a win, right? Now, here's the thing. It just comes with a few limitations, and that's it. You can't sleep in your cab, and you can't have anything idling. So why even have the truck parking? I mean, at that point, if you live in Conyers, Georgia, I guess it's a good spot for you because you could just drop your truck there and then you could go home. But for everybody else, that's not going to work out. For the contractors, for the politicians, clearly you don't understand trucking. No idling? Well, guess what? Truck drivers, when we're on live loads, we're not going to leave our truck. Well, just say even if we left our truck. Well, you said no idling of any equipment. Well, if there's a live load of food, produce, guess what? The reefer has to stay on, right? And the whole part about truck parking is having a place that we can sleep. So you're saying you're going to build this. It's going to cost millions and millions and millions of dollars, but we can't sleep there. All you gotta say is, just give the money to me. Give it to the truckers. And then we'll do something better with it. Because who cares if there's a truck parking that you can't idle and you can't sleep at? At that point, you might as well, man, just make it a drop yard, I guess. I mean, it's no good to us. Please, anyone that's seen this, send it to your local council person in Conyers, Georgia, and let them see this because it sounds good on paper. Not so good for truck drivers. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about this truck public parking that they want to build, but not letting us sleep there and not letting us idle. What are your thoughts?